Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Another live look. Muskegon has been giving us a really good indication as to what's going on outside as the snow comes down. It's nothing like that ground truth. You can already start to see some of the trees getting another coating of snow. Here's the latest on Storm Track Live. We have just light stuff near Holland off to the south, but the heaviest band is currently swinging into Muskegon and just south of Muskegon into Grand Haven. That's going to be the story overnight tonight. Heavier snow, more likely for Ottawa, Allegan, and Van Buren counties, especially as this rolls to the south and then swings in. You can see how the wind coming in off of Lake Michigan is already steering it closer to southern Allegan County and Van Buren County. So that's likely where we're going to be seeing some of the biggest totals as we get closer to daybreak tomorrow. But for now, we're waiting as this area of low pressure continues to just stream down Lake Michigan, delivering snow for a select few. Away from Lake Michigan, much quieter. In fact, in Grand Rapids, we're seeing the stars in some cases. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies means that we have the potential to drop into the teens in some spots. County by county, looking at the lows, very likely we're going to be staying in the 20s close to Lake Michigan. But as we get further inland, better chance that we're going to be falling down into the teens. Likely going to be close to about 15 to 20 degrees for Grand Rapids, Caledonia, Hastings, and Wayland. Meanwhile, areas like Saugatuck down to South Haven likely going to be in the mid to upper 20s because there's more moisture rolling in with the snow. So a bit of a diverse spread for us, and what you're going to wake up to tomorrow is very dependent on where you live. Many of us seeing a few flurries, if that. 1 to 2 inches for several, including some of the spots that are in the advisory areas, and then notice 2 to 6, mainly from Holland to the south, of that bullseye of heavier snow possible near South Haven and especially into Berrien County. So we really are going to be watching closely how the wind delivers this snow. Could make the difference between a little or a lot depending on where you live. And this is one of those mornings that you're really going to want to watch daybreak. 4:30 in the morning is when they start, and they will have hour by hour and even minute by minute conditions, especially road conditions, if you have to travel. Looking at your futurecast as we get through the heart of Tuesday, much quieter. In fact, we should have a pretty quiet afternoon. Watch for a light sweep of snow overnight Tuesday into Wednesday. Then Wednesday is interesting, 35 degrees. And we're going to see a dry start with the wind building in as we get ready for a system to swing through. This is going to deliver a wintry mix, and then it will convert back over to snow. So here's how it looks. Again, Tuesday night into Wednesday, a little sweep of snow. But watch Wednesday, wintry mix through the day. And then after dark, we head to another flash freeze with the winds and potentially another lakeshore event, stacking up even more snow Thursday through the day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, by comparison, much quieter. We're also going to warm things up as we get into next week. But a lot of folks really need to stay weather aware, even still tonight, as that band rolls down the lakeshore.
Yeah, be careful out there.
Yeah.
The rounds continue.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Ellen.